Hi everyone, it's Isa and I am back at it again with another video. So, it's 2018, the beginning of 2018, and most of us made New Year's resolutions. One of those New Year's resolutions may be eating healthier or just being healthier in general. And this video is basically different ways that you can be healthier for the year of 2018. So, without further ado, let's get on to the video. Number 1 is drinking more water.
It's basically important for anything, and I also recommend carrying a reusable water bottle with you at all times.
Eating a better breakfast.
What you eat for breakfast basically affects your entire day, and these are your lifesavers, especially when you are in a rush and only have a few minutes to prepare your breakfast.
Exercising regularly or different alternatives for exercising. Maybe you don't like doing the squats or the sit-ups or stuff like that, but you could easily just be dancing, cardio, whatever you want to do instead of exercising, just to keep your heart pumping and to stay in shape.
I also recommend going to your local park that has a soccer field and or basketball courts, and you can just basically relax and exercise your routines on the basketball courts.
Dress nicely.
Scientific studies reveal that the way you dress affects your mood throughout the entire day. So if you want to dress a little bit edgy, you might feel a little bit rebellious. Or if you dress a little bit sporty, well, you're going to feel sporty. So basically, just dress in what makes you yourself.
Be happy.
Being healthy not only means being physically healthy, but it also means being mentally healthy. And what I mean by this is doing things that make you happy. For example, in my case, it's listening to music, or you might love reading, dancing, sports, anything to get your mind off negative things in life.
More organized.
Organizations help me feel a lot more put together as an individual, and also allows me to be more productive throughout the day and helps me avoid stress by a lot.
Better relationships and stay away from negativity.
This means staying away from people who make you feel bad about yourself, and you honestly don't need negative people in your life or negative comments, and just be more confident about yourself. And in order to do that, you need to have people around you that support you and let you be yourself and accept you for who you are.
Processed or fast foods. So, yeah. Well, I mean, yeah. It's pretty self-explanatory. More sleep.
Sleep is so important. Sleep allows your muscle to grow when you're working out. You burn calories while you're sleeping, and sleeping is basically like food. You can't really live without it. Sleeping also helps you with your learning and memory skills, and just helps you improve for the better. You get more energy, and you're basically in a way better mood the next day ahead of you.
Skincare.
So my skincare routine starts with the Purity Face Wash, which you can purchase at Sephora, or yeah, basically just Sephora. And the importance of skin cleansing and all of that is to clear your skin, obviously, and that also helps you be more confident in your own skin. So after I am done rubbing that in my face and cleaning it and washing it off, I use a Clinique toner or moisturizer thing and then I just apply that to my face using a circular cotton thingy from Target. Then another thing from Target is the Illuminating Daily Moisturizer, which is also SPF 15, as in sunscreen, which is good for my face as well. And it may look white as in putting it on, but just like sunscreen, it fades away. and it keeps my face moisturized throughout the day, and it's pretty easy to use. And yeah, that's it for my skin routine.
Technology.
There are so many things you can be doing instead of using technology, and one of my favorite ones is reading, because it's reading. Like, I love reading so much, and it just makes me feel a part of something. I don't know, it's just I love reading, you know? But you can do anything else that doesn't involve technology, art, whatever you like.
That is it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you guys did, make sure to hit those thumbs up and subscribe right here if you already haven't. I post videos every weekend, or like Friday or Saturday or Sunday, depending on when I post the video. Obviously, I didn't post the video last week because I mean, it was the idea of it was pretty cool, but I just really didn't like how it turned out, so I just decided to not do a video at all because But thank you so much for watching. It means a lot. And I think that's it. See you next time on Issa Nation. Bye bye.